What's up, guys? Hey, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing a interior change for the trim pieces. So I got a new wrap color, and basically I'm just tired of the piano black that I've had, so I'm going to change it up to something a little bit different, and this is my process. Alright guys, so as you can see, these interior trim that I have it piano black right now, but I'm kind of getting tired of it. So I'm actually gonna wrap it a different color. You see the door handle as well. I wrapped that as well, but I don't know. The gloss black, just not doing it for me anymore, you know? Gotta change it up. Now, if you guys don't have any trim tool remover, this is something I'd highly recommend you get. It's very useful, especially if you're popping panels off or just trim pieces. They go in tight spaces and you can just pop them all off easy without having to worry about breaking any clips. Although you still have to be gentle, but at least you're not prying it with like a metal flathead or anything like that. Trust me, I learned the hard way. Now to start removing this interior piece, the center part of it, you're gonna get one of your tools, one of these. You're gonna basically start, I normally start from the corner here, just kind of pry it up slowly, just twist it little by little. See, pops out like that. Go. Just like that, and you have it off. All right, next thing you want to do is get the hazard light and locks door buttons out. Basically it's attached to here, so basically just unclip it and then pull it outward like that, and then you can just unclip this second one here. Yep, so that's the second clip right there. I think this one controls your heat and cold side of your AC. And then you'll have the assembly off right there. Pretty simple, nothing damaged. So that's how you do that. So basically I'm gonna remove the wrap, put a different one on, and then see how that comes out. I think it should be okay though. And secondly, I'm gonna do this one as well. So basically, you know, the same thing, trim tool, poke it on the underside here, pop it off, go alongside. And then I don't think you have to remove this. I think it should come apart easily, but we'll see when we get there. I don't remember, it's been a while since I took this out, but we'll see. Okay, I lied, you do. There's 3 screws right here. 1, 2, and then 3 right there. So right now you have to use a Torx, I think Torx bit, I think that's what it's called. Focus. Oh yeah, but this is a T20 and it should come off easily. Alright, so after you take those 3 screws out, it should just pop out like that. Yep, and there you go. This is the center piece right there. I can't wait to start wrapping these. Oh yeah, and there's also this one that I'm gonna wrap. So same deal, just kind of, you know, give that little twist. It should come off easily. This is like the easiest. Oh man, it's so dirty. after that 3 minutes of struggle. Hey, these clips can be a pain sometimes, right? But anyways, let's get back to the channel. All right, let's line these babies up. There we go. It wasn't so hard, was it? Oh my gosh, I struggle all the time. But I guess it's all part of learning. Now this one should be a lot easier, I promise. They're just held by these two 20 screws. Alright, so line this back up. I swear it's self-explanatory. This is how you do it. Alright, see? See right there? Alright, see? And of course, just don't drop any screws, guys. That seems to be my struggle for today. Just kind of just dropping everything, you know? Earlier today, I even dropped my burrito. So, I mean, I guess it's a sign that I shouldn't be working on things right now, because obviously my equilibrium is not all together right now. But anyways, Lefty tighty, lefty loosey. I swear whoever came up with that phrase is genius. But I'm glad I'm doing something fairly simple. The struggle of owning a hoopty car. Alright. Now I know I said it's a good idea to clean your interior, but in this case I'm just a wee bit lazy, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, I swear. I guess I can clean it. That will be for another video. Alright, well anyways, after you get your screws in, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, just basically line it back up. Push it back down. Say it again. Push it back down. No, wait. No. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Line that up. That didn't work. That didn't work. But, I swear it's easy. Alright, there it goes. There we go. There we go. Alright. Okay. We Gucci, man. There you go. Y'all ready for the reveal? Ta-da! There you go. See that carbon composite? I know. I still like the black trim, but I wanted some texture, or not texture, a little pattern. And I think the carbon composite is the way to go for interior. Alright guys, there's something extra I want to do in this video, and actually you see this back rear window right here. I just think it looked a little bit too plain to me, so I'm gonna add a roof visor that I didn't even know existed for this series, but I guess I found it. Hold on, let me put this up. I didn't put the curve of the window into account. I think it adds some accent to it. Definitely doesn't make it look plain. It makes the side profile just pop up a little bit more, you know? I like it. Let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you like, please comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate that very much. But, you know, that's, like I said, man, part of my video is going to be me struggling. that's like everyday life, you know, everyone we struggle. But yeah, I mean, I hope you found that you know, pretty cool or interesting to you. If you do, just leave a comment, let me know. You know, appreciate it to interact with you guys, and see you in the next video. Thanks. Peace.